So welcome back. In this video today, we are going to learn how to download and see our students' 3D Tinkercad files from your classroom. I have to download my students' files to print them for them because they don't have a way to log into our 3D printer. Your print lab might be set up differently, so you might have your students download their own, or your students also might be a little older. Mine are in elementary school, so I usually download for them and print for them. So this is what I do. So you're going to navigate to tinkercad.com/dashboard, and you're just going to go ahead and log in. You will click on educators and use how you log in. I usually use Gmail, but I'm going to show you the account I used. So here is my classes. So I might have several classes here, but the one I'm interested in looking at is Miss Arrowwood's Print Lab. So then I'm just going to go to Designs, and I'm going to see that there is the tag that I was working on earlier. So usually I have tons and hundreds of designs here, but this is the design that my student just created. So I'm going to click on this. Now this is going to come up, and I can do all of these tasks over here, like share it to the classroom or copy link. The design is visible only to the student, and you have to change visibility to share. So I usually don't do this. Sometimes my students have mistakes and didn't follow my directions exactly. So I can tinker this and actually change the design for students. Or I can directly download. So I can go ahead and click on download if everything looks good. If not, like I said, I can tinker this. Like if the heart is hanging off, I can tinker it so it's back on. I just make minor changes so that it's more easily printed or the print is more likely to be successful. So I'll just click on download and then choose the file type that I need. I usually use .stl, so I'll just click on that, and it is automatically named whatever my students have named it. That's why I find it really important to tell my students to change the name as soon as they create a new design, so that when I'm looking in my download files, that I can easily see which student is which one. So that's all that there is to it. I will be able to see all of my students' designs here in my classroom, and I can even change what classroom I'm doing. And this is where I can also create activities, add co-teachers, so I can do a lot in my portal here. So thanks for joining me. Hope you were able to find your students' designs. Happy printing!